Hey guys, it's me, Noelle.
And Simone.
This is not my usual setting. I'm actually at school right now. So we're both in AP Environmental Science, and for one of the extra credits, there was a nature painting course that we could take. The whole point of it is we're gonna be painting with nature. So are you excited?
Super excited.
I just thought it would be fun to kind of film the process. Enjoy this kind of vlog video. I think that's what we're gonna be painting.
I found like these little weeds that were all dried up that I used as a brush. Kind of effect. Where it's lighter in the middle and it's kind of darker on the outsides.
So right now we're collecting some art materials in nature.
Oh, this is a good one.
Here are mine. Here's Simone's. We got our canvas, and I'm gonna unwrap it now. Look at you, Simone. You're like Picasso's quaking.
Okay.
I am Picasso.